Hey, don't let me go.
What if you flash your flashlight? Do you think it would come to the light?
It is.
Yeah, what is that?
It's a flying crash. What?
Just gotta get a picture of
Send me that picture. I will. I'm taking a video.
Alright. Now we kill it. Alright, Birdie.
Go. Bye, Birdie.
Hey, maybe.
Should we see if we can
Just take out like an airsoft gun and start shooting at it.
Mr. Knowles, let it out there, then we'll chase it out.
Poor guy, just go.
Eating phone.
Come on. Oh my god! Oh! That's it.
What if we open that door?
Oh my god.
Everyone just chase it that way.
Jesse, what if we open one of those doors?
That's what I'm saying. Mr. Knowles, I say we let it out into the play. And open up the door.
It's gonna cause mass.
Oh! You had it!
Okay, here's my question.
Why don't we just let it out into the flex, dude?
No, we'll cover it and then take him outside. With the piece of paper.
What should we name him?
No paper is as big as a garbage can.
Serious, I should look at something.
I say we name him Blunt.
What?
Or 40. Oh, he just hit his head. Oh.
Like you slide the paper under the thing. Like you slide it under the trash can, you know?
Wait, Mr. Knowles, don't push up on that.
Alright. Okay, take it outside. Let it home. Get it? Don't let him fly out.
Damn.
Just don't let him fly out. What are you doing? Oh, I'm just making sure he didn't fly out.
It better be in here.
Go, let him go.
Let it go!
Oh!